Okay, guys. Okay, shut up. Okay, so guys, we just defeated the destroyer, if you know it. But yeah, no, Santi cat. No, why is everyone dying so fastly?
Solar Eclipse on toistaiseksi pahin.
Oh, I think I know. In Solar Eclipse, like NPCs die. Am I right?
Ei vaan, niitä tulee niin monta ja pahoja, että ne kuolee.
Oh, shit. Oh, I think I see one of them. Yeah, these are
Näettekö te?
these are strange mobs, to be honest. And sorry if my voice sounds kind of childish. YouTube changes my voice a bit, so. And like I'm playing with my friends right now, and like we defeated Destroyer, even though it just came randomly. Like the Destroyer came randomly in here, like it was just bada beam, bada boom. I'm here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this over here. So this is not a voice reveal or anything. I just wanted to talk because guys, you have done so much for me, and like that. But usually people would be like, hey, let's do a voice reveal when we have 5,000 subscribers or 1,000,000. Like, people are usually like that, but I just wanted to do this, like, surprisingly. And, yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna mute my mic when my siblings come in. Oh, someone just attacked me. No! Oh, ice store. What's an ice store?
Nyt pitää laittaa takaisin maagiksi.
Vampyrin 750 HP:tä.
Oh god.
Kiva tietää.
Seriously, that vampire just fucking killed me. I dropped gold. Gold.
Miksi te kuolette koko ajan?
I don't know. It's not my fault.
Ei oo mun syytä, että nämä viholliset on ihan
Ah!
Mä en oo kuollut kertaakaan Solar Eclipsessä.
We have to.
Eikä oo myöskään mun
We have
syytä,
to get
että
the
mulla on
house
se
like in the pirate event, so we could just, you know, we could defeat them. Oh god. I just fucking. Oh, sorry for cursing, but I just broke the door. I just broke the door.
Oh nice.
And guys, I tried to do part 1, but YouTube doesn't YouTube doesn't let me put like videos like 15 minutes more like videos, and it's really annoying. So I couldn't reveal the part 1. So yeah, that's why did you broke the door? Why did you break the door? Put the door back. No! How could
Ei
you?
pelkkää oli riitä.
Yeah, but they broke the door.
Au, Swampy.
It's not my fault you broke the door. I don't even know where it is. Solar Eclipse is really annoying, I see. Okay, I'm gonna make a new door. But just like calmly. And I'm totally not gonna rage. Alright?
Kaikki valittetaan. Toi.
But why can't people just let it be? Like if we can do what they want, they just should leave us alone if we can do what they want. Okay. I'm just gonna, what's that? Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Then let's see. And no, I'm not British or anything. I just sometimes talk with British accent because I'm only 10. Sorry if you didn't want to know yet.
Miksi sä teit Excaliburin?
What? Why would you make Excalibur?
No koska se näytti kivalle ja sen damage on isompi kuin Breaker Blade, mutta kun se ei ole tehokkaampi kuin Breaker Blade.
Se ei edes ammu.
Okay, just.
No ei ammukaan, mutta mitä väliä?
No,
What did you do?
Niin, mutta se lyö nopeasti.
What the fuck did you just? Okay, give me the monies. Give me the monies. Seriously.
Toi britti.
You.
Se on suomalainen, mutta se puhuu englantia.
Yeah, I talk English because I have my mic on. Oh god, vampire, don't kill me.
Ja se koko ajan vakirooleita, niin en tiedä miksi.
I'm sorry, okay?
You are stupid.
No, you are the one that has stupid dinges.
Onneksi mulla on face.
Because it's not my fault. Okay, brother, where are you? Brother!
Ja voin sanoa, että tää peli voi laittaa niin, että se heittää
Okay.
mut ulos tallentamatta mitään kivaa. Joten
Maybe you should save now. Because maybe you should save now when the destroyer.
mä voin
Then save and exit.
Miksi?
Because then it will save that we destroyed the destroyer. Okay, good joke.
that was
but like-
not good joke.
You can't talk English like I do because you haven't trained it like when you were 6.
Te pysty mun muistaakseni saada Charm of Mythsin.
Okei, Excalibur on hyvä.
Jos mä pystyin
Can I have your breaker blade then? Oh god, I dropped my phone. Okay, good.
Jos mä oikeesti
I want some
saan
melee
Charm of
things.
Mythsin, niin mä voin sanoa, että boss battle tulee olemaan paljon helpompaa, koska niinku Charm of Myths, tajuutteks te?
I'm just gonna break a few things because then we don't have a graveyard. No, sorry, not a graveyard, but
Destroyer on kuollut.
we did kill destroyer.
Tossa lukee, the destroyer has been defeated.
Like
Tää on muuten mun mappi, joten me ei voida tehdä videoita ilman, että mä teen mappia.
yeah, that's why you should always do the map when we want to record like the videos. I'm gonna go to you know where.
Muuten niitten pitää tehdä vaan Among Us.
I'm gonna go to Hollow now because I'm bored AF. And I'm tired of like everything. I'm tired of life.
Excalibur on vaan niin OPS.
Then give me your breaker blade.
En vielä.
Ah,
Kiitos päällä.
oh god. Why are these people just...
Mikä sun tuben nimi on? En tarkoita Tasti, vaan
Oh, my? Oh, okay. My YouTube channel name is Bean Dracos. Because why not? Like,
Draco.
what?
Tuu kattoo.
Call me Dry. It's
No.
Dry.
Drae, tuu kattoo, mulla on hieno lemmikki.
Mä luulin oikeesti,
What?
kun ite miksi mä heitin tavaraa pois.
Swamp Ting. Swamp Ting. Okay, the best name of the year. Swamp Ting.
Hei, Drae. Haluut sä nähdä mun lemmikki?
I want my gold.
Drae, kato.
What?
Kato tota, se on mun lemmikki. Niinku tää juttu taas.
Oh, it's cute. Come in, cutie.
Joo,
Come
se
in.
on silmä.
I can see that, dumbass. Oh, sorry, guys.
Tuo kiroilee ja haukku. Okei, poistakaa Drain kanava YouTubeen. Se vaan haukkuu ja kiroilee.
It's not my fault you're annoying.
YouTubeen. Asiat.
Joo, me ollaan aina vähän tällaisia.
Joo.
Oh, I almost...
Tästä tulee harvempi pidempi video, koska katsoo ne klipsit.
Kertokaa mulle
Well,
sitten,
guys,
että pitää asettaa mun kaikki
I think I'm gonna stop like right here or something.
Konde on magia.
What?
Joku randomi.
Mutta mulla on tällä hetkellä...
I'm a melee and a
Mulla on niinku
runger.
tällä hetkellä hyvin melee rangeja
Okay, let's see.
taika-aseita, joten mä en tiedä
Let's
kuka mä tällä hetkellä on. Ja kaikkien sieltä bonus on sama
Wait,
muuten paidu.
I'm gonna put
Mä
that
käytän
there.
Palladium Armoria, eli
My mithril
Great Wing
helmet.
Creasassa,
I really don't need to put
HP
that there.
Regeneration, jos mä hittaan ne, jos mä tuhoan ne viholliset millään tavalla.
Excalibur on ihan hauska.
Joo, uskon.
Sorry, I like to whistle.
Mutta
Okay,
miksi
What?
just heti, kun me oltiin tuhottu Destroyer, niin kun tää tuli varmaan puoli minuuttia sen jälkeen, kun me tuhottiin Destroyer, joten niin.
Sitten suuhun, sit tulee niin, se on ehkä lypsää.
Joo. Ja tuolla te näette auringon, jonka edessä on kuu, joten niin.
My god, gosh, you're so overreactive.
Kattokaa sitä ihanaa näköä siellä. Se
Ja kohta tulee joku Blood Moon tämän perään.
Oh, there's a soul. There's a soul. Soul of might.
Hetkonen.
I found 30 soul of might.
Anna mulle.
Oh my god, calm down. Calm down. There's 30 of them. 30.
Anna mulle.
Oh god,
Hey, hey.
why are these people just attacking me? That's not fun.
Se riittää. Ei Minisharkia, vaan Mega Shark.
Okay, so now I'm gonna talk my home language. Okay, Konsta, eli siis... Joo. Mut mitä se on Soul of Mightilla?
Anna mulle.
Mega Sharkin, Lotta.
Ai, Mega Sharkin. Kuinka monta siihen tarvitsee?
Ihan tiedoksi, että mä rekordoin
Taisto, anna...
mikki päällä.
Taisto, anna nyt. Nyt se Breaker Blade.
Anna. No, jos sä annat mulle ne sorot maitot.
Okei. Trade. Mulla oli sinne muutenkin täynnä. Ihan oikeasti tyypit.
Kiitos Soul of Mighteista. Mä annan sen sulle sit kun tää on ohi.
God, mä otin ne taas.
Muuten
Tossa.
farmausreportti. Areenan takana on surkea paikka farmata.
Oh,
Sä kuolet siellä koko ajan.
I did not know that.
Täällä on liikaa porukkaa.
I don't give a
Älä kiroa.
moonstone. What's a moonstone?
Anna se vaan.
It's a moonstone. What? What do I have to give you?
Mulla on moonstone.
Moonstone.
Mulla on kai moonstone.
Why do you need a moonstone? I want to see what.
Se on mukava.
Goid, come here.
No, sun pitää tappaa toi yksi tyyppi. Sun pitää tappaa Gormia.
Dabba.